What's up, Bombcats? Welcome back to another episode of The Sage. I'm Miles Huerta, and today we're celebrating Gonzo Ramen's 1-year anniversary by taking a look at how it all got started. We'll be taking a look at our week in sports, and we have a very special segment today that you don't want to miss, Cooking with Bella. If you've ever been to downtown Carlsbad, you've likely seen Gonzo Ramen, one of the local restaurants there. What you probably didn't know is how it got started. Let's send it over to Christopher Kathman and Bella Niems for more.
The story of Gonzo Ramen couldn't have started in a crazier way.
So our 1-year anniversary is coming up. It's March 4th, and that was also the same day of that Governor Newsom declared a state of emergency. So yeah, it's been almost a year now.
But such a bizarre beginning is pretty fitting to the namesake of Gonzo Ramen.
Okay, Gonzo Ramen, my mom came up with the name based off the spirit of Hunter S. Thompson, a writer and journalist. He was kind of crazy and wild, and we really look up to his how he is as a person, so we kind of took a little bit from his name. The definition is crazy or bizarre. So yeah, I am the manager, but I cook. My two brothers are more in the kitchen. I oversee like the front of the house and just managing the business. Started off with basically me and my two brothers, and then just my mom.
I always wanted to do something new in Japan. So ramen is a really our street food, or even like at the house. I wanted to have a ramen here.
While their main focus is on providing Japanese dishes to their customers, another one of their missions is to create an interesting community.
I believe that the environment here is very fun and festive, and we play the music very loud, and we want people to basically have fun here, so it's very bright, very loud, and entertaining, I would say.
We come a lot. We're here a lot. It's the best local ramen without a doubt, and the best one in North County.
Yeah, definitely.
Gonzo Ramen is the best ramen in the USA!
Then finally, we had to ask the most important question.
What's the best dish that you serve?
Start with gyoza, spicy tonkatsu ramen with sake bomb.
Yeah.
Our spicy miso ramen, it's known as the Gonzo Red.
And right now we start the Gonzo Gold, Gonzo Red, spicy miso ramen, and then Gonzo Black is almost a cross.
I love the Gonzo Black Ramen.
Make sure you guys get out there and support your local businesses. This has been Christopher Kathman and Bella Niems reporting for The Sage.
Yeah, thank you so much for many local support, and please come to Gonzo, and see you soon.
Congratulations to Gonzo Ramen on their 1-year anniversary. Now it's time for our week in sports. With more on the subject, Malia Williams.
Hello Sage Creek, I'm Malia Williams with this week's sports update. Varsity Baseball defeated La Costa Canyon in a 3-game series 2-1. They play Friday against Torrey Pines at Petco Park. Boys and girls soccer with the win against Oceanside on Friday. Boys play Mission Vista on Wednesday and RBV on Friday, and girls play Vista on Wednesday and RBV on Friday. On Friday and Saturday, boys basketball defeated Mission Vista by a score of 98-71 and 79-47. Also on Friday and Saturday, girls basketball lost against Mission Vista by a score of 45-42 and 49-37. Both teams play Canyon Crest Academy at the end of the week. Congratulations to our track seniors that were honored at their last track meet on Thursday. That concludes this week's sports update.
Thanks, Malia. Now, time for our very special segment today. We're sending it over to Bella Niems for Cooking with Bella. Take it away, Bella.
Overnight oats is one of the easiest, healthiest, and yummiest breakfasts you can make for yourself. The best thing about it is it's made up of mostly ingredients you can find in your cupboard. To make these banana bread oats, you need oats, 2 bananas, almond milk or a milk of your choice, yogurt, honey, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Pretty easy. First, you're going to start off by putting a cup of oats into a bowl. Then mash the 2 bananas and add those. Make sure that the bananas have a good consistency. They're not too mushy, they still have some substance to them, but they're nice and soft. Next is a cup of almond milk. After, a half cup of yogurt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a dash of cinnamon, and a little bit of honey. Then, you're ready to mix everything together. The recipe should make about 2 mason jars worth. Once you fill the jars, go ahead and put them in the fridge overnight. Take them out in the morning, add a little honey and bananas, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. This has been Bella Niems reporting for The Sage.
Well, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in to this very food-filled episode. Please head over to thesagenews.com for all the new stories and follow us on Instagram at thesagepublication for more. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Miles Huerta reporting for The Sage.